Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and as you can see, I have here the Huawei Watch GT3. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. So, brothers, look at this beauty. I have here the Huawei Watch GT3 in a 46mm size. And in essence, this model represents a slightly tweaked version of the Huawei Watch 3 Pro. I have here the watches. Pim, pim, pim. And with the notable omission on the new model being the lack of eSIM, now you can still take calls from your connected phone via Bluetooth. So let's unbox this brand new Huawei Watch GT3. Okay. Huawei tells us we have to explore it on App Gallery, okay, but this is a standard box, and of course I have here the stainless steel case, and strap is stainless steel strap. So, wait for it. Ooh. Okay, very nice, very decent, elegant. So let's see what is in the box. Brothers, of course, we have here the Huawei Watch GT3, the bigger one. Very nice. And what else is in the box? We have here some. This is cool. Okay, the charger, magnetic charger. And some documentation. This is it, brothers. Wow. I like these more than the standard Huawei Watch 3 Pro, I have to say. This is cool. Very nice. We have the crown here with haptic feedback. We have the button here. Wow. We have a slightly curved display. So turn the watches on. You have to press the crown. And we have the logo here, brothers. Very nice. So, brothers, this large 46 model gets a very nice high resolution Amoled panel here, and one of the more noteworthy new features on the GT3 series is Huawei's Healthy Living Clubber, which gives you daily challenges for exercise, sleep and walking, and fills up throughout the day, similar to Apple Watch rings. There's also Huawei's revamped 5th Gen TrueSyn optical heart rate sensor, on-device SpO2 measurements, and tracking for over 100 sports modes. The Huawei Watch GT3 watches come with 4 gigs onboard storage, offer 5 ATM water resistance, and are compatible with Android and iOS phones. Battery endurance should be 14 days. And of course, there is a new HarmonyOS 2.1 operation system. And we have here also support for GPS, Galileo, Beidou, GLONASS, and QZSS satellite systems to improve tracking. And it's also improving anti-interference performance. So let's connect these watches to smartphone. So, brother, I have here the Huawei Watch GT3. As you can see, there is update available right now. So I need to update the watches. but in meantime we can go into settings, and I will show you. This is Huawei Watch GT3. We have here the HarmonyOS, brand new, but we need to update the watches. I can easily change the watch face. This is a sporty one. I like it. So we have the weather here on the left. Here we have the shortcuts. We can find the phone. We have the do not disturb here, the clock. Here we have the notifications. Okay, and on the right we have the heart rate measurements, the SpO2, the weather. It's freezing here. So okay, it's working. I have here the heart rate, and I can of course measure the SpO2. So let's try this. Okay, 95, that's cool, I'm fine. So brothers, this is unboxing and first look on the Huawei Watch GT3 in 46mm size. I think this is a very nice smartwatches, but of course there is no Google Pay. We have inside the HarmonyOS operation system, but I like the Watch GT3. This is the standard Watch 3 Pro. I don't like these watches. They are big. The design is not cool. I don't like these watches, but these watches they are very nice, very decent, very elegant. I like everything on them. So this is thumbs up, Huawei. So I do hope you ended up enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video. And as always, stay safe, wear the mask. Peace out.